This video is a short look at what you need to do for the Level 2 of the Social Justice Badge. We will look at the required activities and the rubric to understand what you need to do and what I, the instructor, will be looking for. Let's briefly look at the rubric. You can find this rubric on Brightspace, as I am doing here under Assignments, Level 2. I am also going to be sharing it as a document in our class Google Drive. Note that I'm going to be looking at two main areas. First, under Document Requirements, whether you have all the required and necessary pieces. Second, under Depth of Analysis and Thought, this means whether your analyses and reflections show substantial thought and effort. In other words, can I see that you are able to see the big picture and make connections between the things you are reading, watching, or doing and your project and learning? Remember, to earn your badge, you need to meet expectations. Let's return to the activity list to see what this means for you. So for the Level 2 activities, the first thing you have to do is to learn about the idea of counterstory. You'll be reading this resource right here to learn a little bit about it. After that, you're going to need to look at one of the examples down here of a critical identity story. And this is where you're going to need to write basically rhetorical analysis that uses these various questions to analyze and understand what is happening, how these are being written or presented. So this is the first thing you have to submit for the Level 2 of the Social Justice Badge. So again, you're going to be writing something that's roughly 300 words as rhetorical analysis. So I'll be looking to see how well you engage with these questions here. Are you able to think a little bit more deeply, or are you kind of skating along the surface? Are you able to pull on the ideas of counterstory? Are you able to identify areas of outside research and to discuss it in more detail? So looking for you to engage with the ideas on a stronger level and dive in and respond to the questions as fully as you can. The next part that you're going to have to submit for the Social Justice Badge for Level 2 is related to your library research. So you're going to be finding reliable, credible resources, 5 of them. And again, they're helping to connect to the ideas around your identities and deepening your understanding of them. Then you're going to write either a dinner party research conversation or, what's not listed here at the moment, an annotated bibliography. And in order to put these sources into conversation with each other, the dialogue should be about 500 words, and I'll add more about the annotated bibliography, but it's going to be roughly the same. And again, you're presenting your research. Do you have the sources that you need? Are they reliable and credible and related to your topic? Are you able to put them in conversation with each other, showing that you understand what they talk about and how they talk to each other and reflect different elements and different ideas around your topic? You can use MLA format, or you can choose another format to use. I just ask that you be consistent. Now that you know what the expectations are for this level and its activities, I hope you feel more confident in finishing up your submission. And of course, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me or visit the wonderful folks at the Writing Center. Good luck!